What's up, y'all? It's been a long time, Mr.NoFace. Back at it again. It's been a long time, but you know, let's get back to the good content. Today we're gonna unbox some HUMANMADE directly from, you can see it. And we got lucky enough to get this piece. That'd be fire. I'm gonna do that right now. So let's get into this unboxing real quick. Not trying to do too much of a long video. This was coming in the box. That's the order confirmation receipt. Got this little thing. Make sure everything was pre-opened. You know, this is a dope. If you collect stuff, this is fire. You know, definitely had to open the bag before I got crazy. And I just touched it with my markers. I'm not trying to get it messy. Come on. I should have took it out the bag. Got this HUMANMADE bucket. I think they're sold out. I think. Not too sure. Not trying to make this video too long. That's a bucket. You know, got the bucket there. Got that. And I think one more item. I just got some ankle socks. You know, pretty simple. Got that there. Then let's head over here. The grand finale. Put the bag a little bit more. Okay. Let's see the bad boy. Sorry for the shaky video, but got that HUMANMADE pillow, Japanese edition. And I was lucky enough to pick up a t-shirt. Wish I could do a quick unboxing, but as you can see, it's the pocket tee. You know, alright, definitely thank you guys for all the support. This is fire. This is a pillow that I probably have to blow up. This is like crazy dope. But thank you guys for watching and coming back more with the good content.